Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install the TOSHIBA Smart TV stand legs. Okay, as you can see on the table now, the leg has been removed from the TV, and to install it back to the TV, first of all you need to input your TV to the corner of your table. Okay, after input the TV to the side of the table, now you will find the connection point on your TV stand, and you will find out each of your stand. It has the mark on it. This one is B, this one is A, and you will find out that mark on the back of your TV. This one on here and another side on here. Okay, let's see on the screen now. I put it to the correct letter, A to A, B to B, and after that you need to bring the two screws. Okay, now you can use your TV and turn it to stand on the table. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the TV stand leg to your TOSHIBA Smart TV. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.